And now, first warning weather with meteorologist Brad Sowder.
All right, everybody, as we take a look outside, we have cloud cover, and then just like that, a parting of the skies here where some of the clouds are breaking open, and we'll have a little bit of light make its way on through. And yeah, it's going to be one of those days where it's clouds and sun, but of course this morning it is more cloudy than anything else. So as we take a look at some of the conditions outside right now, San Antonio is sitting at 75, and it is very muggy out there, extremely sticky weather, and you're going to want to dress for this very warm weather for sure. If you're going to be working outdoors, you'll sweat very quickly in this, so take frequent breaks. Even if your temperature is only in the middle and upper 80s, it's going to feel like it's well into the 90s today, and some areas are going to feel and be a lot hotter than that. Big storms fire up later on today and into tonight. By the way, it's going to be raining a lot today. Down I-10 closer to Katy and Houston, Texas. High resolution futurecast really pointing out some slow moving thunderstorms which could be capable of bringing some localized flash flooding. And of course, you know, Houston, when it floods in Houston, it floods in Houston. All right, futurecast when we are watching showers and thunderstorms develop out to the west, and those will get together and make an approach to the Alamo City later on tonight with some strong storm potential. So starting to see the first light of our new day here, just like that. The sun comes up and we can see that stratus layer of clouds that is going to break on up. Now, as far as severe weather goes today, San Antonio is right on the edge of a level 2 risk. Farther to the west, that risk is greater. Even in Del Rio, you're up to a level 3 risk. And as you make your way up into West Texas, they have up to a level 4 risk today, meaning a number of serious thunderstorms with huge hail and damaging winds possible, and maybe a couple of tornadoes there. We have these streaming showers now. They're developing a little bit better well off to the north. San Antonio, a few sprinkles, and that will continue through the morning. Maybe a shower later on this morning as well. Most of the day, though, dry for most of the day. 86 in San Antonio this afternoon, and it's going to get hot out there, especially to the south. In the mid-90s, San Antonio tonight only drops down into the 70s. Tomorrow, the chance of rain is much greater, 70% opportunity. Wednesday, it's a 90% chance for rain, and there is a concern all 3 of these days for strong storms and the possibility of flash flooding. So we have to watch that, and the flooding threat and strong storm risk will probably continue the rest of the week with, well, very likely rainfall. So very wet pattern around here. Certainly don't need to do any extra watering outside. The aquifer is looking great, continues to improve, and this will only help. All right, everybody, that is your latest forecast.